When will I get my refund on IRS? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about when will you get your refund on IRS. So the first thing is that the timing of the receiving a tax refund from the IRS can vary based on several factors. These factors include how you filed your return, electronically or by mail, the accuracy of your return, the complexity of your tax situation, and whether you requested a direct deposit or a paper check. For the most accurate and up-to-date information on refund processing times in 2024, you should check the IRS website or use the Where is My Refund tool. So here are some general guidelines. E-filing and direct deposit. If you filed your tax return electronically and opted for a direct deposit, you can typically expect to receive your return faster than those who filed on paper. The IRS aims to issue most refunds within 21 days of receiving your tax return. And if you file a paper return or request a paper check, the processing time is generally longer. It may take up to 6 weeks for the IRS to process and issue a paper check. The Where is My Refund tool on the IRS website is a valuable resource for tracking the status of your refund. You can check the tool 24 hours after e-filing or 4 weeks after mailing a paper return. Certain factors such as errors on your return, missing information, or claims for the certain tax credits may lead to delays in processing your refund. The IRS may also delay refunds for additional review or verification. The IRS periodically updates the status of its processing and information and provide information on potential refund delays, especially during a peak filing seasons. It's important to note that these are the general guidelines and individual circumstances may vary. Always refer to the latest information on the IRS website for the most accurate and current details regarding the timing of the tax refunds in 2024. So this is basically when you will get your refund on IRS. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.